Hi guys, so I just wanted to jump on here today to give you a quick update on my Untried polishes. I've managed to organise them in a way that I'm quite happy with, and I've also been planning on some swatch thises so that I can swatch them all. I'm really hoping I can get through most of them this year. That is my aim. So I was gonna do a different series. I won't say the name just yet. Instead of swatch this, and I was going to do sort of swatch this as well, but I've decided not to do that because I'm going to leave that for when I have swatched through my collection, because I then am going to go back through it and hopefully de-stash polishes that I don't need, that I've still got. So I've got a lot of colours that are the same, so I'm really going to have to try and be ruthless after all of this swatching. So I'm going to show you how I've organised them all. So here is the secret to my organised Untrieds. What I have done is I've emptied my nail polish shelves and I've put nearly all of my Untrieds onto these shelves. So every time I swatch one and there's a space, I fill it with another one that I haven't swatched yet. So far it's really good, and I can sort of look at them and it gives me inspiration on how I can swatch them, which categories and things like that. So we'll have a quick look through. I did put them on here randomly, but that was just too much for my OCD. So they are in sort of not categories, but all the brands are together. I have got a lot of single ones. There's a couple of Morgan Taylors at the top there and some OPIs, and the OPIs carry on down here. Actually I've got quite a few OPIs looking at that, and a few Nicole by OPIs there as well. I've then got some indies and all of my Barry M's, and some of this is shameful because A, I've had them for years, and B, like ones like this, unfortunately I have worn, but I just don't have a swatch picture. This was a 50 years of Superdrug special. So part of my aim with my Untrieds is to sort of get swatch pictures of everything. So I've called them Untrieds, but I suppose really some of them aren't even unswatched. I don't really know what to call them. We'll go with Untried and Unswatched for now. But I've got some Ada's nails that I was working my way through, and some Illamasqus, which I've had for ages. Then we've got quite a lot of S's. I have bought a lot of S's in recent years, so I'm not surprised that there's quite a few of those. We've got my Black Heart Beauties, which I'm slowly working through. We've got some Esmaltes de Kelly, and actually we've got a few Model's Own there down the bottom. I was shocked that I didn't have a swatch photo of this one, because I've had that one for quite a long time. Then over onto my next set of shelves is Ice Cream Nails, H&M, a few random indies there and there, some Formula X, some Essence, Glam Polish, a few more randoms going on about here, a few colours by Leroux, pretty serious, quite a few Sinful colours, and quite a few Kikos actually that I hadn't got pictures of. Some Avons, some Colour Clubs, and then as we get to the top they are quite random, some Rimmels and Catrices up there. So those are my unswatched on my shelves. We then have my unswatched overspill, so we've got some Ciate in there and some of the round Nails ink bottles. So these ones are ones that are replacing as I swatch. These ones are replacing, they're going in the empty spaces, so there's that one. And then in this top drawer, I need to sort this out. So this is all of my toppers. I think these are all the toppers I haven't got swatch photos on. I will have to double check that. But I think these will also fill the gaps eventually. I find it always harder to swatch toppers because it takes a little bit more time. So I'm sort of going through the creams and things first. But hopefully you will get to see these. Obviously, as you can see, I've got a lot that I can use for my Tempting Topper series, so that will carry on, and yeah, so that's all of those there. Then finally, in this little place here, not all of these are unswatched, but a lot are. These are all of my minis, and I haven't actually separated them yet into unswatched. I don't know whether I'm going to waste them with just a swatch picture. I might wait until I wear them to get swatch pictures of these ones, because obviously some of them haven't got very much in. I think like these little OPIs, I think I've got pictures of those already. And like this one here, I have worn it before, but I haven't got a picture, but it's a stunning colour purple. I need to try and find a dupe for it actually. So yeah, so those are the minis as well. I'd be really interested to find out about everyone else's Untried. How do you organise them? How do you swatch them? How many have you got? Probably is not as many as me. Mine have built up over the years, which is not a good thing. I'm hoping after this I can sort of swatch as I get them. I am on a low buy this year, so hopefully I shouldn't have too many more to add into my Untrieds. Thanks everyone for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.